Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in the Huawei Nova 9 SE. And as you can see, I have here a SIM card on my finger, and this is a nano SIM card. So it's the smallest SIM card you can buy at this moment. It can be that you have a slightly bigger model that could be a micro SIM card or a standard SIM card. You need a nano SIM card. That's the smallest version we need here for the Huawei Nova 9 SE. If you don't have this SIM card, then just call your provider and they will send you a new one. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, where must we put this SIM card in? So at the top you can see here is a tray, and in this tray we have a little hole, and for this hole we need a special tool, and this tool you can find in your box. So just take your box. I will take mine out, and you can see here is a needle, and this is a special needle. It's a SIM card ejector tool. So it's this needle just fits perfectly in the little hole for the tray. But if you don't find your box, you can also use the good old paper clip, and I have just found one here, and as you can see, it's just a normal paper clip, and it's also okay. So what we must do is just to bend it a little bit, and then put this paper clip here inside the hole and just press it a little bit, and there you can see then it opens very easily. And then I can put it out, and you can see on the Huawei Nova 9 SE there are two places where I can put my SIM card, and you can see here a little bit a corner here, and the same corner is here with the SIM card. And so there's only one possibility to put the SIM card in, otherwise it won't fit. So you can see I can put here my first SIM card in it, and here the second SIM card, just like I wanted to have it. And then when I want to put this whole thing back, I just have to hold it here like this, and just put it here in and push it in, and then you can see the Huawei Nova 9 SE just recognizes, hey, there is a new SIM, enter SIM pin, and I will just put in my SIM pin and press OK, and then enter the pin. And then I say okay, and then everything's fine. Here you can see that now my SIM card is activated. I have full signal, and I can just call everybody I want to. I can go in the internet and everything like you want to do it. So I hope this video helped you a little bit putting in the SIM card in the Huawei Nova 9 SE. If you have any questions, just write down your questions in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It would be very great. I will make some new videos here on my channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.